Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to activate your Ryanair discount using your ESN card. If you're a student traveling around Europe, this discount can save you money on flights, so it's definitely worth setting up. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to the official ESN card website. You'll want to type in https://esncard.org. Once you're on the site, you'll need to either register for a new account or log in if you already have one. Make sure the personal details you enter here match exactly what you'll be using on Ryanair later, as this ensures a smooth verification process. Now open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Ryanair's official website at https://www.ryanair.com. When the page loads, look for the login or sign up option. Click on it to either create a new Ryanair account or access your existing one. Having a Ryanair account is essential because this is where you'll link your ESN card to unlock the discount. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left menu. Here you'll find the Ryanair portal. Click on it to access your account dashboard. From there, select My Account from the options presented. Within this section, you'll see a tab labeled Erasmus. Click on it to open the area where you can link your student discount card. In the Erasmus section, you'll be prompted to enter your ESN card details. This includes your card number and its expiry date. Type these in carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you've filled in the information, go ahead and submit it. Ryanair will then verify your ESN membership against the details you provided earlier on the ESN card website. After submission, Ryanair will process your information. Once verification is complete, the Erasmus discount will be activated in your account. From that point forward, you'll automatically see discounted fares when booking eligible flights through your Ryanair account. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Ryanair discount, making your student travels more affordable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.